All right, so today we are looking at a collection rig that my friend Lee here has set up. And we got a John Deere tractor, of course, the 145. And this is a grass collection, leaf collection system that has been built. Lee, can you tell us what this started as?
Well, I took a good thing and made it better. It's originally it was a Cyclone Rake with the canvas bag that folds up and hangs on your garage wall if you're, have limited space. But like I say, I took a good thing and made it better by building this box, and it dumps much easier. It breathes much easier with this mesh top on it. You have to equal the amount of air that comes in as the same amount that exhausts as well. So like I say, basically it's just a good thing made better. Dump it. You open this up. Like that, and drive away, and it dumps your load, which is so much easier than the canvas bag system that it originally comes with the Cyclone Rake. Much easier to use. It does require a little more space to park it in your garage or storage building, but I think if most people have a place big enough that requires something like this, they probably have a building big enough to pull it into.
So how much of this is original?
Just the frame and the turbine. I repowered it and put a new impeller in there, but basically just the frame and the turbine.
And the wheels are casters?
Yep, the wheels are casters. It spins around. It's a 2-point pitch instead of a single, so it doesn't articulate. The whole thing stays parallel. You have to watch your backswing as you're operating it around trees and buildings and stuff like that, because it doesn't articulate in the middle like a normal trailer would. The whole thing stays rigid, and we can give you a little quick live demonstration here if you want to see what that looks like.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
All right, let's start this bad boy up.